Toy adventure time! Yay! Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. So many.
Pop it! Favorite fidget. I love this fidget.
Whoop!
Spoiler alert, mine might be popping. Hi, adventurers! So this is part 2. If you haven't already, go watch part 1 where we are showing you our fidget boxes. And this is part 2, and we're gonna show you some more of our fidgets. So we hope you enjoy. Let's see. First is monkey noodles. I have a ton of those.
I have 2.
Good for you.
This is the yellow one. Oh my gosh, they stretch so far. And this is the purple one. It's like Rapunzel. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Your hair. Your hair.
Okay. This is one. It's kind of one, but it's
like
a unicorn.
textured monkey noodle.
Oh yeah, thank you for that word. It's purple. I have a pink one. I have a mini green one.
Technically, we share the mini green one.
I have a blue one. I have a purple one. And then I also have another mini green one, but it's the exact same thing, so I'm not going to show you that. You didn't know? Anyway, next is a marble mesh. I have a blue one. These are really fun. I have a purple one and a pink one. So these are really fun. I really like these. You got it?
Wow, I think I traded my other two.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have a purple one. It's really pretty.
You only have one?
Well, if I have more.
Oh yeah, I also have this pink one. I have another pink one.
What? How do you?
It has like a pearl inside. My friend gave me this one. Okay, so next is Poppets.
We have
the one you have been all waiting for. Look at all of these. Oh wait, one more.
So many.
Poppet! Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I'm gonna start, and I have this unicorn Poppet. It's really fun, and yeah.
I have a mermaid tail one. This one is really good. I really like it. So yeah.
I have a popsicle one. My cousin actually traded this one to me, and it's really good.
I have an rainbow one. It's really good. I really like it. It's a circle, and it has a bunch of pretty colors. So, okay. Sounds good.
My turn.
I know.
As I'm sure you already know, I have this yellow one, which we actually show us unboxing in another video. So you should go check that one out after this one.
So here is the one I unboxed in that video. It is really good. We got these at Target, so they're really good.
I also have a pineapple one. It's really, really good.
I have a heart-shaped one. This is like really easy to pop. Like you barely touch it. But this one's one of my favorites. Actually, all of them are my favorite, but you know, this one's really pretty.
This is my burger one. I was so happy when I found this. We actually found this one on vacation.
Yeah.
It was yeah.
I found this one on vacation too. It is a car. I really like it. I also like it because it has like mini ones. And it's really cool. I like popping them on this side.
Scared me.
You'll live. But I also got the mermaid tail one on vacation, so I forgot to mention that.
I have this giraffe one. I got it on vacation. It's super nice. It's blue. They had a bunch of different colors, but I wanted to get blue.
Next, we are showing Simple Dimples and Dimples. This is my dimple. I love it.
I don't have a dimple yet.
Yeah, hers is gonna come in the mail one day. She doesn't have one, but it's really pretty.
This is my simple dimple, which orange and green. I really like it.
This is my blue and pink simple dimple. This is my most favorite fidget in the entire world. This is, out of all of the fidgets, this is my favorite fidget. I love this fidget so much. Favorite. Okay. That's
Next is like pea poppers.
Yeah,
So I have this pea popper, and look, whoop, whoop, and
look, I have this one too. And a lot of people think you can't push the middle one, but I mean, you can only push the middle one, but you can push these. You just have to be strong.
now I have a peanut one.
Whoop, whoop. These are harder to push, in my opinion.
Really? I thought they were easy.
I mean, but they're really, really cute. I like them.
Next we have Wacky Track.
So I have this one. It is blue and orange. It's really good. I also have this one, which I shaped into this thing for another fidget. I don't know how I did it. I just did. This half is my friend's, and this half is mine, which it's like a friendship fidget, and she has my other half. So it's cool.
I have this Wacky Track, and I shaped it into that fidget too. And yeah, super fun.
Next we have Slinkies.
I have this blue star. It's super cool, and they're not tangled. Every other Slinky I have is tangled except for my 2 stars. And this one is red. Hey look, it's kind of like the America flag. Red, white, and blue.
I have this purple one. I like it. I lost my other ones. I don't know what happened to them. Oh well. But yeah. Next is bike chains. Ooh, I love bike chains. Mine is red. This is one of my favorite fidgets as well, because you can just do it with one hand and you don't even have to look at it. You can just be like watching TV and you're like,
Yeah, this is mine. It's yellow. It's really fun. That's the last fidget.
I know.
Ruined it.
This is our last fidget that we're showing. Tangles. No, that sounded
Tangles.
Wait, no. Tangles. Okay, that was better. But this isn't Tangle. It is blue and yellow and orange and white. And you can tangle it, but you don't tangle it.
Mine is blue,
blue,
blue, and white. I kind of get like stressed when it actually tangles.
Yeah. Go like this. And then like, I can't untangle it.
What? How do you do that?
You just turn it like this. Like you're braiding it, kind of. I don't know.
Oh.
You're like, I can't untangle it. But then you turn it and you're like, oh.
Oh, okay.
But that is all. That's all of our fidgets. Actually, no, that was a lot. Ooh, I just tangled. Okay, so I forgot to show this. This is a really cool one. I don't know what it's called. It's like a cube, but it's like a fidget spinner. Yeah. So now we're gonna show what our favorite fidgets are.
Spoiler alert, mine might be poppets.
Okay, as I already said, this is my favorite.
Poppets, they're my favorite fidget.
But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will probably be posting a couple more videos soon. I know we haven't posted very often a lot now, but we're just kind of busy. We have literally something to do every day of the week. But we'll probably try to post another one this week, hopefully. And that's all for now. And keep smiling, adventurers!